Vanakkam Pasangala. So in this video, we are going to discuss the salary of a doctor that is in India and also in Tamil Nadu. And also you are going to notice that what is the journey that you have to take. Okay, now all of you are only thinking about your NEET 2026. You have never thought about anything after that. But today I am also going to reveal you the journey that is taken up by all your super seniors and the doctors that we see day to day. Those doctors, what are the journey that they have taken. So in this video, it's going to be like a recap of what you are going to do in your future, and it is more of a futuristic video. And I would say that everyone must watch this video to understand that how much are you going to earn, and is it only about money? Doctor profession, is it only about money? And what is the journey that I have to go through? What is the specialization that I want to take? All this we are going to reveal in this video. Okay. So let's directly get into the video. First, we will start with the journey of a doctor. That is, after NEET UG, what are the things that you have to face, going forward? That is what we are going to understand. So first thing, or the most important task is going to be clearing your NEET UG examination. So a student who has completed 12th might have taken a drop, or in 12th itself, you have started preparing for your NEET. So you will be clearing NEET, and once you clear NEET, you are going to get into MBBS, which is a 5.5 years of course. In that 5.5 years, you have 4.5 years of proper academic semesters where you are going to study different things, right? After that, you have 1 year of compulsory internship, and students, during that internship itself, you can earn money. Yes, you will be given a stipend depending on state to state. In Tamil Nadu, currently the stipend, is somewhere between 8K to 30K. So between this, you will be able to get a stipend for that 1 year of internship. Generally, if you see also, it is 30K usually the stipend, but in some government college hospitals, it will be less. Okay, so let's say it's somewhere ranging between 8K to or 15K to 30K, you will be getting a stipend during this time. That is your first ever earning as a doctor. Okay, after that you will be completing your MBBS. You are going to get an MBBS degree. After completing MBBS degree, ma'am, can I stop there? Yes, you can become a resident. Okay, you can become a resident doctor, and you can earn somewhere between mostly, now I am telling in hand, maybe somewhere between 50 or 45 to 70,000 also you can earn during this period of time. But you do not want to stop there. You want to go for the next thing, that is, you want to write the NEET PG examination where you want to do MS or MD. Then that is a different story. Okay, so that time, students, you can go for senior resident. You will become senior resident because you did not stop your education there. You took your writing NEET PG, and after that you are going to become senior resident, or you go for any specialization as such. Okay, then after that, students, you can become, once you become a senior resident, then you can become a general physician. Okay, so you can become general physician. You can also start working in a hospital, or you work in a government hospital itself, or you work in a private firm. That is totally up to you. After that, again, you don't want to stop. You want to take super specialty. Lot of people do that. Lot of doctors do that. You take a super specialty, and by then your age will be somewhere between 30 plus. Okay, let's say you have taken only one drop, then yes, somewhere between 32 or 33 your age will be. Super specialty you can do, and after that you can become a consultant in a private firm where you can earn lakhs of money per month, or you can also start your own sector, like you can start your own hospital, own clinic. Super specialty people, most of them, they will start their own firm itself. So that can happen. There is no limit to earning. There are people who earn even crores a month. There are people who earn lakhs a month. Okay, 25 lakhs, 30 lakhs a month. There are doctors who earn up to crores because they will be, doing multiple surgeries and all of that. Okay, so there is no limit for that. So I would not say any number here. Now, whatever I am showing you, like the salary I am showing you, it is according to this. State doctors get promotional jump after 8 years, 15 years, 17 years and 20 years. Okay, but the central doctors will get after 4 years, 9 years, 13 years and 20 years. So the salary basis is going to be depending on that. So many people will tell you according to these years. Now I have taken according to your jump of your MBBS. Okay, so look here, entry level MBBS doctor, that means the resident is going to get around 65,000 to 75,000. If you are in the central government, you are going to get almost the similar range in Tamil Nadu. Anywhere if you join also, you will get in hand I would say in hand, maybe you will get 65,000 to 70,000. Many people are also getting 80 to 85,000 in hand. Okay. Now, student, this has a lot of parameters. Like it will vary depending on your where you are joining. Okay, which area are you coming from? Are there other clinics nearby? So many things will matter when it comes to this price, salary range. Then, students, senior residency, you will be getting somewhere around 75,000 to 1,20,000, or we can say 75,000 to 1 lakh. Now, if you are in Tamil Nadu, I searched a lot of information, and many people on Reddit, like, they put the suggestions and, they put their salary. Many people told I get in hand 67,000. Some of them told I get in hand 45,000. So, but senior residency, mostly if you are in a good place, in a good area, you're not towards the, not in the outskirts, then you are going to get anywhere between 70 to 1 lakh. Okay, in hand you will get that much. So, I have put a range of 45,000 to 1 lakh, even assuming people who are in the outskirts, who are doing voluntary, even for them, 45,000 would be the bare minimum. Then students, specialization, if you are taking, again 75,000 to 1,50,000 in central, and in Tamil Nadu state you will get around 70,000 to 1 lakh. So state wise there will be a slight difference, but in that Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, if you see UP, or you also see West Bengal, these states all pay pretty decent salary for doctors, or salary generally for teachers and everything, they pay pretty decent. Okay. But slight variation will be there compared to central government. So, that is why that variation that you can see here. Then students, once you become a consultant, that means you take, you finish your NEET PG, you also start working somewhere, you have an experience. After that, you become a consultant. Then you can work in any private firm, and it will vary. Now, few of the, hospitals that pay really well, or branches that pay really well in Chennai are going to be your KIMS Avera. They pay a doctor around 15 to 20 lakhs per year. Okay, 15 to 20 lakhs per year. That means you are getting in hand maybe 2.5 lakh to 2,15,000 in hand. Okay. Then we have ACS medical colleges also. They also pay really well. You can also join as professors also. Okay, it is not that you are limited to only being doctor. There are a lot of people after, completing MBBS, after doing even NEET PG, there are people who become professors. That also many people take it up as an option. Okay. So, there is again no limit in salary. Salary will be very high. Here around 12 to 15 lakhs per year. 12 to 15 lakhs means somewhere around 1 lakh to 1.5 lakh you will get in hand. Okay, then Apollo Hospital students, they pay the highest, but again, depending on experience, by then how much experience you have gained over your life, and how people talk, because see, very simple, in doctor, you will always notice that when you get fever also, every doctor cannot really help you cure it. It is somehow very, funny that, most of the doctors are prescribing the same medicine or injections, but every doctor does not cure your problems. Okay, even I have certain doctors that will not work for me at all. I have seen them, or I have gone and consulted them multiple times. It does not work for me. But some doctors, the moment they give me a medicine, I usually cure very fast. That is because the experience, the practice, we tell no, the God's hand they have. Okay, there is a magic in their hand. That magic is what you need to all focus, because students, money will come automatically if you are a good doctor. You don't even have to do anything. Your name will talk for itself. When you walk into a room, everyone will automatically talk that, my God, this doctor is so good. He has God's hands. Okay, he has magic in his hand. That's all that you have to focus on. Money will flow with experience. Money will flow with quality. So, every time I would say that if you are a doctor, your first main reason to be a doctor should be humanity. Then it should be your passion. And the third thing should be monetary or money. Because a doctor who runs behind money, we have seen many cases where money becomes the sole reason for them to be a bad doctor. But if you are a good doctor, money will automatically flow to you. You do not even have to ask for it. Big hospitals will come to you. So, in Apollo Hospital students, 7.2 to 23 lakhs per year. 23 lakhs per year. So, these are some of the high paying people in Chennai. Like that, all over Tamil Nadu, if you see other states also, there are a lot of hospitals or branches, franchisees that pays a lot to the doctors. So, this is the flow of what your future is going to look like. Now, I want all of you to understand, like, why I have done this video is for you to be aware of what you will be earning in future. And because many videos are coming, is MBBS really worth in 2026? But see, worth, no one can ask you or no one can question the worth, because worth totally depends on if you want to do it or not. Now, many might question that, ma'am, why are you doing teaching? Why can't you do something corporate? Why can't you work in a table job, because you will be earning better than this? Yes, maybe I will be earning better than this, but the question is about, for me, is it worth or not? Yes, for me, it is worth. Every day when 10 of you comment, 10 of you like the video, share the video with your friends, that is what every day I am looking forward. The first thing in the morning I do is open and see my video. How many students have commented? I go and like all the comments. That has become my day-to-day thing, and it is very worth for me. So you should know that if it is worth for you, it does not matter if it's not worth for someone else. If it is worth for you, your passion, your goal from the time you were born, first standard, you have written in a piece of paper, I'll become a doctor. Now also you're doing the dream. You are great. Hats off to you. Many people, many of us gave up our dreams because that time coaching wasn't available. Teachers weren't there who would motivate me like this. If teachers like, myself was there back then, I would have really did something out of my life. I always tell this. So if you are able to do it and you are in that path, then hats off to you. Do it. Do it. Don't do it for the money. Money will flow. Let me tell you, money will come to you. You don't have to go behind money. Money will come to you. Just make the name. Just make the name. When you walk with your parents, when they ask you that, what is your son doing? What is your daughter doing? Enna panniranga? Ma'am, our doctor, ma'am. Automatically, people around, everyone will be doctor. Your doctor. Buddhi, okay, that is what you have to make. That is a revolution that you have to create. So yes, if this video helped, then quickly subscribe to the channel, because I'm very disappointed to show you this, that 68.5% of the people who are watching this channel has not subscribed to channel. It is very, very sad that you people haven't taken 1 minute to subscribe for all the hard work that we are putting. And 31% has subscribed, which I'm very, very happy about. Thank you so much for subscribing. And those who haven't subscribed, quickly subscribe to the channel. And students, if it helped, please let me know in the comments why you want to be a doctor. Is it for the money? Is it for the humanity? Or ma'am, it's my passion. This is the first thing I ever thought, and this is the last thing that I ever think. So yes, students, thank you so much for joining. See you all in next class. Till then, stay tuned to We Need Tamil Nadu. So many videos are planned for you. So many videos are coming up for you. First, we will set your plan, and let's hit 5K very soon on the channel. This 5,000 is going to be a milestone to show people that yes, there are serious NEET aspirants out there. There are serious Tamil pasangal who are waiting for a NEET channel, and we have done it. Okay, so quickly subscribe. Let's hit the first 5K on this channel. I know you will be doing it for me. So thank you so much. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.